Let me show you the best type of packing machine. If you want to pack irregular and fragile bulk items, such as potato chips, vegetable, hardware and eggs, you can choose grano packing machine. If you want to pack liquids, such as ketchup, milk, shampoo and eggs, you can choose liquid packing machine. If you want to packing powder, such as spice powder, coffee powder and eggs, you can choose powder packing machine. If you want to packing a precise quantity of materials such as soap, respirator and eggs, you can choose pillow packing machine. If you want to fill materials in cans, you can choose filling machine. If you want to packing preformed bags, you can choose Premade bag packing machine. If you don't know how to choose, you can contact us and we will recommend the most suitable packing machine to you. Follow for more packing machine tips.